Hi guys, hi YouTube, it's NZ Air 777 here today with another model plane review. As you can see, it is an Emirates Boeing 777-300ER and a 1:400 scale. As everyone should know by now, I am a obsessed fan of Emirates and their livery in the Boeing 777-300ER itself. Yes, so I'm very excited to do this review for all of you today, and I hope you enjoy. I received this model in December of 2014, which is last year, and it is regarded as one of my favourite models in my collection, as, well, Emirates and the 777-300ER, you know, has to be up there with the favourites. So let's get on with the box, and yeah. So here we've got 1:400 scale, 1:400 scale. The Boeing 777-300ER titles in the Emirates font. You've got the cockpit and the front fuselage of the 777 aircraft, along with the Emirates titles in their website, and also the Arabic writing which reads Emirates backwards, and also the wee calligraphy symbol that's used on their advertisements. We've got the logo of Emirates, Emirates official licensed product, and also we've got the Emirates official store.com written on the box as well. As we go to the sides, we've got Emirates official licensed product, and also the scale, 1:400 scale, and the aircraft Boeing 777-300ER. If you go around the side, it's pretty much the same. It's pretty much the same on all the sides. Pretty standard Emirates box. As we go to the back, it's got all the specifications for the aircraft there. So if you want to pause that, then go for it and read it. There's the information about the 777 itself, and Emirates with the 777, and there's a very nice picture of the beautiful aircraft. Emirates official licensed product with the website, Gemini jets, and warning information. Also the item number for this model, GJ UAE 1351. Yes, so that's the box. Here's the model. So we'll start with the model. At the front here we've got the cockpit window and the titles, the 777-300ER titles. Got the nose wheel with the letters CK, which is the last two letters of the registration. We've got the first cabin door with the Emirates logo on the right above the window. As we go down, we got the nice gold letters of Emirates with the website underneath. As we go down, we've got the Arabic writing that reads Emirates backwards. We've got the G90 engine. I flew a Emirates 777 late last year in September. If you haven't seen the videos, they're on my channel. And I was lucky enough to sit next to one of these beauties, and they are massive. What a joy to sit next to one when it's spoiling up on takeoff. Yeah. We've got the wonderful wing with the rate wingtip at the end. One of my favourite features of this aircraft, along with the G90. We go down, we've got the emergency exit door with the pathway if there's a emergency. We go down, there's another cabin door. Keep going down and we get to the tail, and on the tail is the flag of the United Arab Emirates. And then down here we've got the last cabin door. Pretty sure it's another emergency door. It's got the Emirates logo on there as well, and we've got the registration A6-ECK or Alpha 6-Echo Charlie Kilo, and also we've got one of the horizontal stabilizers, and also the APU at the back there. As we turn the model around, we start from the front again. We've got the cockpit window and the 777-300ER titles. Got the nose wheel with CK on them. These cabin doors don't have the Emirates logo on it on this side of the plane. We could go down the Emirates titles in gold, and the website, Arabic writing, and the other G90 engine with the Emirates calligraphy on it. On the wing, with the rate wingtip at the end, the green light on the end. Just try and get it to focus. Here we go. We keep going down another emergency door, another cabin door, another cargo door down the bottom, and the other another door at the ends there. Registration A6-ECK. The tail with the United Arab Emirates flag, and also this side's horizontal stabilizer. This model is from Gemini Jets. It is the latest. I think it's the latest release, last year's release. Might as well go to the bottom of the aircraft. First of all, I'll start with go with the top again. I'll put it a bit down. As we focus, let's try to get it. There it is. We've got emergency. I think there are emergency signs on the top of the aircraft, and we've also got a focus. We've also got a beacon on top of the fuselage there. Go to the bottom of the aircraft. This could be difficult as I'm again with one hand. On the belly we've got the Emirates advertising and the stand hole, and also the landing gear, and also we've got the bottom of the nose wheel with the gear doors. Yep. As I said, this model is made by Gemini jets. Yep. What I like about this model, A, it's Emirates, B, it's a 300ER, C, they go to my local international airport of Christchurch, New Zealand, and yeah, I can't talk highly enough of this model because it will take forever. I highly recommend getting this model if you're an Emirates fan, if you don't have it already. So yeah, that's the review done. Hope you liked the video. Apologies for waffling on about my passion for the aircraft and airline. So please rate, comment and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you with the next model update. Thank you and goodbye.